Sophia. And it's Vivian Jane. What's up, SM City Grand Central? Ayun, and first of all, we would like to congratulate Pixie for their new song, Load, and of course, to Sidus and SM City Grand Central. Thank you so much for having us here. And syempre, alam namin na matagal na kayo naghihintay sa comeback ng Pixie. Pero po bago yon, meron po kaming pinipare para po sa inyo. And okay lang po ba na turuan po namin kayo? Okay lang po ba? Isa pa mahina, okay lang po ba? Yes. Ayun, gagayahin niyo lang po yung sasabihin ni Ate Camila. Ganito po siya. 5, 6, 7, sobrang init, 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 so hot! Sobrang init, 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 so hot! Me so hot, hey! Me so hot, hey! Yes! Ready na po ba ang lahat? Pwede po ba natin i-try? Okay. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, sobrang init, 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 init. So hot! Sobrang init, init, init. So hot! Me so hot. Me so hot. Mukhang ready na sila.
Lalo na yung side dito, parang ready na sila sa mga
Ready?
And this is our song, Me So Hot.
Thanks for joining us this afternoon. Before I let you go, do you guys have anything to promote? Any upcoming events that you guys would like to share?
And I hope you guys can follow us on all our social media accounts, official Vivid PH on Instagram and TikTok, and Vivid PH on Facebook and YouTube. And of course, kami po ay kasama sa Viva Fun Fest sa June 13 sa SM North Annex. And I hope to see you guys there. Yeah!